If this found you right now, it is because it is for a very specific reason. This message was meant to find you. It is not coincidence. You need to hear what I'm about to say because this is confirmation that what you are waiting for is closer than you think. Objects in the mirror are closer than they appear, my friend. This is ringing true for so many people because they have been waiting so long that it is only inevitable at this point that what you're waiting for is right in front of you. So I want you to open your eyes to see this because the fact that you feel so stuck is an illusion. There is only going forward, and it has eventually brought you to this place that you have been waiting for this entire time. You knew deep down that this was coming, otherwise, you wouldn't be waiting for it. So, inevitably, it has to come true. And when it does, it's going to unfold in such a miraculous way. You're going to start noticing the signs and synchronicities, these little breadcrumbs that tell you you're on the right path. And when you reach this destination, you're going to look back and you're going to see why the waiting was so important because it served a strategic purpose. So I want you to understand that everything that you're going through is not in vain. It's all for this bigger picture that once you zoom out, you're able to see it for what it actually is. And you'll realize that everything up to this point had to happen and that it's all connected. This is why you're able to see it because you're perceiving something that is already happening to you in the future. And this is why you could sense it, why you could feel it, why you know it to be true. It is like this plan that has been set out for you before you were even born, and you've been following that path whether you knew it or not. So now you're aware of it and you're able to see these breadcrumbs that give you confirmation, that make you feel good. And in the meantime, keep the faith, my friend, because that's what's going to bring you to glory. And it's going to be so good. It's going to be worth the wait. So don't dismay. Don't feel like this is never going to happen because it is. It has to. It is inevitable. As long as there is darkness, there is light. So eventually, the dawn has to come. You are right there, my friend. The night is darkest before the dawn. So if you're going through it right now and you're really frustrated, just know that that breakthrough is right there and it's going to happen. So don't feel tempted to go back to what is comfortable. Don't give into that resistance, move through it. And that's the breakthrough that you're seeking. It's going to make you better, it's going to make you stronger, and it's going to give you perspective. You're going to see why this all had to happen in order for you to dig deep and come through out on the other side. It has to happen. As long as you don't give up, as long as you don't quit, it will happen for you. Believe it. Claim it in the comments right now. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. If you're not following me by now, you have to because I put out new videos like this almost every single day to help you on your journey, to give you those little breadcrumbs and to encourage you to keep going, to keep improving. All right. If this was helpful for you, let me know in the comments. If this resonated, I want to hear it and other people want to hear it too. Your testimony helps uplift and inspire others. And otherwise, I'll leave it at that. I love you so much. But remember, God loves you more. And I'll see you in the next video.